Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off.
Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, a new vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm presently waiting on the Uber to reach, so I'm basically just open the vlog. But if this is your first time, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so that whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Guys, you see how foggy it is? Like, look on the fog. Like, look on the fog. If you go part through it when I go through, like, why play so foggy? Anyway, my ride is coming, so I'll catch you back in the next clip, okay? Hey guys, so it's almost home time. Today was like hot. Like, me never see a day so hot from me day here. Hot to me tormented. Like, it was so hot until about I think it was 4 o'clock, and then the thunderstorm comes suddenly and it cooled down the place. Like, no rain never really falling out, so that was good. But the cloud come over, like, it is so glad, but it's so tormented. Like, yeah. Anyway, we just close up because nobody really there here. Pool empty. I leave. And then they have a wedding over there, so can I ain't him? So instead we go home 9 o'clock, we can go home 8 o'clock, so I'll go talk to my roommate and see if we're going to close early. And see if the manager can let me out early, because nobody not there. Nobody not there. Good morning, today is Sunday and I am up again, and the Uber I come early, book it is 4 minutes away. I didn't know, but didn't expect it and not a lie. Anyway, the Uber, the V-La-Nessa come and we'll just go work. Today is buffet and there was a wedding yesterday, so today is supposed to be super busy for breakfast. So yeah, so here's my ride and I'll catch you when I reach. Alright guys, so today is a very slow Sunday. I assume it's going to be busy because it was already last night, so all of the people there from the wedding is still here. Hold on there, we managed to do it already. So today here I reserve my energy because I'm tired. We only get probably about 3 hours worth of sleep, and I'm working from 6 to 9 on the weekends and from 6 to 8 during the week. So that is that. This morning my prayer, I said to God, say, give me the best section. I picked section 2, which is like the slowest part or the least amount. And now I'm myself because guess what? Even at the least amount, it may turn out to be the best section. So I'm hopeful. I haven't gotten my table yet, while everyone got one, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Today is a day of rest, but I'll update you later on as it relates to that means. Go.
You know what squatters are?
Mm-hmm.
We got a squatter. Oh.
It's closed. Knock. Hello.
No. You want to paint?
Paint what?
We can make little arts and crafts. Wait, this is kind of fun.
Treasure hunt? I'm building Titanic or a submarine?
Should we build a submarine that blew up? I told Nicole this yesterday. I guess I didn't pay $250K to die.
They could at least give me a 10. I would appreciate it.
Exactly. Like I paid $500,000
To die.
for fucking die.
All times to tell me what's on your mind, and I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna.
Good morning, guys. So today is Monday morning, and I am so happy. You know why? Because girl, I have a day off tomorrow. I may have a day off tomorrow. I may have a half day off Wednesday. Thank you, Jesus. So I have to wake up early tomorrow. That's the greatest thing. And we just want to chill. Anyway, the Uber's coming. So I'll catch you back. That's not the Uber, but I think that is the Uber. So I'll catch you back, okay? I mean, I know why me always early, you know? Me always like 20 minutes early. All the time in that drive. And now me I take Uber, it worse. Like, who want to come to work this early? Not me, obviously. But yeah, we just reached and we're gonna start the side right then. We know it's about another year. Or maybe. But yeah. I'm just reaching.
I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. Can I feel your kryptonite?
Morning again, guys. So this morning we come, right? Not only me, you know, one person, and if I switch then switch her cause she called out, but she didn't come. It's supposed to be 3 person, right? And me, she, and the chat to do it. Well, anyway, person come like 10 minutes to starting time. So basically, you know, if you do no side work, right? When I was like, you know what, I gotta do this and we can do it because I did it before, and you know, girl can work hard, and we kind of glad, you know, because me I say, alright, we in my own zone, me alone, then bam, him show up, and you know, him show up within chatting. But it is what it is. At least we can leave, because I was contemplating, like, if I was the only one, then that means that I was the only one going to make all the tips and me have to go deep in. So because the thing is, if I was the only one, then me alone would have to do all of the side work, and that would have take like maybe an hour to 2 just to do. And no in a sense I go to the deep end late, because when you go late, you know, you don't make much money. You get me? But it is what it is. I am here, got the first customer, just one person, and then in the talking mood. Me there was a like, me not respond, but just not in the talking mood. Me not understand. Like, when my mind turn from something, you know, it's hard to come back. And me like in time, me not like hypocrite, and me not gonna be a hypocrite. So that is that. Tomorrow is my day off, I think. Yeah, I think. And underneath, remind me to write down my time yesterday, because whenever I write down my time, I'm want them pay me. You get me? Yeah. So I did that. Me feel like me slept enough last night. Yesterday me did feel so dragged, but today me feel renewed. It's supposed to rain today, so I just gonna do not today at the pool and done, and then tomorrow, the day after I go home tonight, I'm gonna see if I can wash. So I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow, and I'm not nothing planned. I'm not even cook. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna cook still. But probably. But yeah, the pool is closed Wednesday, so I'm just gonna work in the morning here and then go home in the afternoon. So that's a good thing. Anyway, later. I'm almost there. Can't wait for tomorrow so we can just lie down in my bed. How long when I lie down in my bed? No, sir. I pay 5 hours, I get down in bed. I just let 3 hours. And that's safe. I feel like some of them work have a crush for me, you know. Boy, too bad. I don't want nobody at work. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna walk over the pool and then see up there. So look. Yeah. It seems like it's going to rain. And me no mind. The manager said we might close. So that would be me going home early today. If we can make $100 net tip per day, we're good. Yeah, I'm good. Plus hours, I'm good. Boy, I'm tired. Me eat breakfast this morning with oatmeal. Let me just eat one egg sandwich. But that hurt me. You know, for the green juice. But first, me actually eat. And I'm tired. I'm in the talking mood, so I'm just getting my work done. And I do most of the side work. Might as well. Because I'm so glad to say I'm not buffet today because I know that would work. We get more stable. I don't know why. It just seems like the pool that busy. You know, because it's supposed to be out down here. But I don't know. It's people today, but let's see what happens. More piss though. Even piss and change. Guys, it is going to rain. So the pool shut down. Like from last week into this week, it's a rainy week. Empty. All you have is the workers. Look at the sky. Like just a while ago, it did full, and now we're empty. I'm glad enough, I'm glad. Because guess what? Because it's a day too hot here, man, and it's sun like it get hotter and hotter by the day, and we can't bother. So right now we order some chili cheese fries. I'm gonna go in the break room, sit down and chill. Yeah. So we're gonna stick up the wipes, wipe off the table because the table ever dirty, and carry some water. The manager said that she will let us know if we are going to close for the rest of the day because she said the rain just pass by quickly. So we'll see, okay?
My God, it's my God, it's my God, it's my God, it's my God. I need to tell you, tell them who you are if you're living in the movement. You wanna praise God. This is how we do it. It's my God, it's my God, it's my God.
Alright guys, so the pool is closed and we're going home early. I'm glad I say. Glad because guess what? We get to go home early and we can go wash from tonight, do everything from tonight and then relax later. I think I can watch a movie and then edit tomorrow or Wednesday. Yeah, because I'm gonna start edit nothing yet. Yeah. Why I can't manage this son like I'm so glad. I really not even know I'm grateful for the rain them. Even though no money no make, but I am grateful for the rain them. And as I say, God always sort me out because I work. Yeah, me I work for the mill room, so me have hours. But yeah, just I'll go home. Hey guys, today is Tuesday. It's my day off. And we have one bag of something for them. Thank God I washed last night. I washed my sheet, my white shirt and my clothes. I did that last night. Me have to clean the room. Like it don't really need no one bag of cleaning, just need to organize and in the vacuum. I'm going to cook oxtail and chicken. I was wondering if I should cook rice and peas, but I don't know because my roommate cooked rice and peas the other day, but rice and peas can be too much. But I feel for mashed potato, so I might just do that. I have to edit, and then I was thinking about going live today. Yeah, so I have a whole lot of stuff going on, and I'm in my shirt today. I don't know buy my shirt yet, I don't know buy the shirt yet. I'll go on phone now. And I need to go and check the website. Like, I haven't went on the website in a minute, and you can't do business like that. We need to send us an application for winter season. We need to fix my resume, a whole lot of stuff. So that's the plan for the day today. Not going anywhere. Thank God. Thank God we don't have a car, so we don't have to drop nobody at work and pick up nobody from work. Thank you, Jesus. This morning I was sleeping, and when my roommate was getting ready, I woke up because we can't sleep through nights. Yeah. So wake up, and then from that we can go back to sleep. But I'm gonna try and rest later on in the night when I finish everything. So that's the plan of the day today. So guys, it is almost 2 o'clock, and I feel like I've been productive, but I haven't been productive. I don't know how to explain that. Me get up, me clean the room, in the kitchen. Now me I cook oxtail and baked chicken and mashed potato. Like, me don't feel for the rice and peas because of that my roommate cooked the other day. And what else? Yeah, we vacuum out the room and all them something there. But I feel like I could have done more with today. Everybody and them putting their home. Like, I don't like that. I want a day off for everybody there at work. I like me if you change me day off the backside. I don't like that. I was saying that I wanted to walk today, but I'm not sure. Just walk around. But the amount of geese the boat, no one of them run me down. And I want to edit and to make a video. So let's see how that work out today. As I say, everybody in them picking their home. Everybody. The good thing is that my roommate at the home, but tomorrow we are going to the home. I'll go work in the morning and come back. So we can probably edit. So we can probably make video or go live today. So let's see how that go. May I go back here. Alright guys, so while the food in there I cook, I decided to make a multitask and edit some videos. I also was thinking that maybe I should start using my Pocket 2 camera, my DJI Pocket 2 for vlogging instead of using my phone, because it's more handy. It's small and it has the mic. It has the mic and it should be better. So all I need to do is just take out the memory card and put it in my computer rather than transferring, and I just feel like it's better. Like I can just place it down and just video or record, like get cinematic clips. I don't know if you understand. But the thing is, if I start using this, then I'm gonna have like too much choppings, alright, too much cuttings, too much clip, and it's gonna take a longer time to edit. What do you think? I think I'm gonna do that. Instead of I use my phone and the phone just seems if you don't see me I record them and them something, you understand? But this is kinda small and discreet in a way. I know that seems like, I don't know if you can see it here. This is how it looks. The screen is on here. So all I do is turn it on with this button right here. When you turn it on, it goes so. And then not only that, it picks up my face and then it follows my face. Also stabilize like things. So this is what I think I start using, you know. And then I have the mic also that I just clip on. So I don't know. By the time I use it, that makes sense. What is the sense? What's the sense of just using my money? And I'm telling myself that I need a vlogging camera. That is the Sony one. But I feel like I have too much camera, and then when I buy them, I'm not using it. That is my weakness. Like, gadget is my weakness. So I'm gonna charge it up and then just start using it for the other vlog, which is gonna be Saturday. I'm gonna start using Saturday. So let's see. The phone is more sometimes handy because this will be in my bag sometimes. I don't know when I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I'm gonna charge it so that I can start using it. Alright guys, so my day here and rain and fall and sun slightly shine. Let me show you. Yeah, so seems like the pool is a bit closed. This is the thing with the pool, you know. When the rain fall, it closes. But these days, it makes sense sometimes because the sun is so hot. And as I said, bad for business. But so it goes sometimes coffee and sometimes tea. Anyway, I'm here and I'm currently editing. I wrap up in a blanket because in a cold, you know, open up the AC, just turn it down a little bit. And we done cook. I need to do that, smash up the mashed potato, the chicken bake, and the oxtail cook. And that is that. And then we're just gonna put vegetable later on. When I'm ready for eat it yet, we just prepare it so that I'm not fear rush later on. Alright? Right now it's 4 o'clock, 4 minutes to 4. So I'm on good timing and we just gonna edit this until about 6 o'clock or there, guys. I wanted to go live, but I don't think I can. Yeah. I just have so much things to do, so guys, just understand that, hey, I only had 1 day off, 1 full day off, and tomorrow is my half day, so I'm going to work in the morning at the main room, but I'm not working in the pool in the evening. And my roommate is gonna be here, so I'm not going to go live tomorrow. We need to finish wrap me here, and yeah, so then just bear with me. Make a plan it out, but yeah, make sure someone get the vlog because we also don't want to see the vlog. And I'm trying to be consistent, you understand? And I also need to sit down and talk to, you know, because a long time we don't do no vent talk. You get me? I say we don't do no vent talk. But the thing is, because we don't have the car, normally when I come out in the morning, I'm just down in here while my roommate to get ready and edit if I have to edit or talk about stuff. But I'm not get them time there yet. And I still organize my life. Right? I still look car a vehicle, but I still contemplate because at the end of the day, I still have to go spend money if I have to buy the car. And I know so this is repetitive because we said 100 times in the last video. And I just want enough to understand, say, oh, a girl have many things on her mind. You understand? So me, I'm in my mind about a lot of stuff. Like, I feel like if I'm going to buy the car, I'm not buying it right now. Yeah, I want to wait a little bit. That is the mood. Alright, I don't mind taking the Uber. It's just the convenience I have right now. And I don't know if you're going to know me fine. I'm fine. I'm so glad to say I'm not have to like get up. I don't even remember what I was saying. I was just knocked up because I was using the oven and we have 1 baking pan. I'm not too if I didn't buy it, but when I do my line it with foil paper and use it, bake the chicken. So I guess he wanted to use it. He always buy pizza and put it in the oven because it come like him love it well burnt. So he wanted it. So that is that. Anyway, I'm going to finish it. Be productive because the rest of the week it's from 6 a.m. to 8:30, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, yeah, p.m. That's the rest of the week. I got the vlog out last week, so that means I can do it. So on my day off, me do what I need to do and put the whole videos together. The thing is, you know, putting the clip is not so bad, but it's just to put in like the cuts, the transition, the writing. So if I can do that on Wednesday and then put in the one clip them on the other days, then we're good to go. You understand? So we're gonna just do that right now and get it going. So I'll see you guys, okay? And guys, let me know what you want to see in the vlog. Like, let me know I'm doing this for you, and me know me can do more. So just let me know in the comments. And guys, I was thinking that instead of me just putting the comments them, the responses, like the comments them on the screen, I can like go through some of them and just read them out loud on like in the vlog, and I think that would be more personal. So I was thinking along that line. And guys, it's the only reason why my vlog them so crappy is because I don't have enough time. I don't have nobody to pay to do it, because paying to do it, when I get so much money from YouTube to pay somebody to do it for me. Even though if they pay somebody to do it for me, it would have looked so much more professional. People would have watched it more. Anyway, because we're missing, you know, because we're missing, that's why we can't come off my effort. Anyway, bye. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, and I had my day off yesterday, and today I'm just working in the mail room and then going home, so that's a good thing. There's a new person today. I swear I'm tired of missing new people. Anyway, it's 10 minutes to start time, and we just decided to start the vlog. Today I'm not going to do much. I'm just going to finish my hair because I know I'm going to finish and I grew it already. Yeah. So let me just give you a look at how downstairs look.
Open your eyes, what can you see around?
I feel like today I'm going to just go on like a little tour. I don't know, probably. Probably in time we done, I just want to go home. I feel like today I'm going to just walk a little and just chat a little. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I go back upstairs. Let me show you again downstairs into upstairs. So this is the patio outside. This is the fireplace. You have the lake over there, so where people go fish. You have one little bridge there right there, so. And then over there so is where the pool is. Storage there right there, so, and then going back upstairs.
You got the wrong guy. See me fly. You know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly. The way I put my finger on it. See me fly. You got it. Then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Look at them now, all of the noise they make. Counting the cards to one. Queen of hearts never breaks. Falling asleep, here might just take a while. Trying not to grind your teeth. Dreaming to touch my style. Well, can't say I blame you. Trying to.
Alright guys, so we reach home and them I pave the driveway. Smell like tar. And you know you have enough people who love smell it. Let me show you. Clean. Not in the line. Them upkeep them places are private property. I mean about them upkeep it. Like if me fi have an apartment, I smell, you know, I just smell too strong. If I was supposed to have an apartment, this is how more have to upkeep it. Every week them cut the yard and trim up the tree, then paint the place, Them sweep, everything. Love it. Anyway, I'm not going inside now. The outside feel nice. Inside just cold. Like I just stop AC. But just gonna come outside to get a little sun. You can imagine when we at the pool, we don't want the sun, but no more like a sun. Little sun is alright, but too much sun is not alright. Just had lunch, rice and peas and chicken, and watch a movie, and I'm gonna eat it. I feel like I just want to chill little. So today is the last day of my freedom until next week again. So I'm gonna try and see if I can edit and fine tune the videos. And guys, drop any questions that you want me, like anything that you want me to answer in the next video, or any question that you have, I can answer them in the next videos. Yeah. Anyway, skin a glow even though I'm going up. But I'll catch you tomorrow. Today weren't so bad. After all, it was very slow, but God favors me. I guess that's the topic. Anyway, later. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday. Yeah, today is Thursday, and I am recording from my Pocket 2 because I feel like today I'm just gonna try out this thing rather than using my phone. I just got a call from a friend that he met in an accident. The good thing is that he's okay, and another good thing is that he wasn't the cause of the accident. So apparently the guy ran into his back, so that's a good thing. It's not a good thing that he met in an accident because that'll cause some inconvenience and one bag of thing, and when it comes on to these kind of things, it take a while to get your money, get your car fixed, and one bag of something. So I'm just about to get him life together, and it's just like something just happened, just so. Like, no sir. Me probably I think if he insult or something like that, but it's not. So the Uber, when I booked the Uber, I said 23 minutes away. I'm gonna book it 5:30. I'm supposed to reach at work 6 o'clock. But guess what? We're doing this, okay? We're doing this. I'm going to be late, but so it go. Can't be early all the time. But let me know how this look, if you like this look better. And it's very small and discreet. That is what I like about it. The thing about it, there's a screen on there, but me can't really see if it clear enough. Me know some my face is in the frame, but like how my phone big, me could have see it, yeah. Anyway, them done pave the walkway and line it out and everything. Me show now last night. The car they move back in. See if you look. Yeah. And then guys, you see? It'll follow my face. It'll follow my face. It'll follow my face.
Swear your love is ecstasy. Get high when you're next to me. I'm in the clouds. Your touch is my remedy. Lose all of my sanity. I love the sound when you tell me I'm the only one. Way you got me feeling makes me come undone. Baby, you make it look easy. At the top, but you can meet me. Rise and shining like the sun. You're the coffee in my cup. Couldn't ever get enough of your love. Taking me up, oh, don't you hesitate. Need you every day. Get lost in you, you're my hideaway. Keeping me awake, know you love the taste. I could do forever in your arms, I swear.
I don't know how the video look this morning, so it just a comment just in case. But let me know what you think about that clip from the Pocket 2. Never get to use it much because the Uber came like a couple minutes after. I also try to put in some clippings from work so you can see some of my side works that I do in the mornings. Let me know what you think about that. Like, I am trying to try be more like do it differently, because every week is like the same thing. It's just the same thing. Like, I see me at work, me understand it's a work friend kind of series, and yeah, I like the picture. So let me know what you think. We finished me here finally yesterday, last night, after I go home, so I can let it go. And I kind of like how it look rustic. It didn't look neater the first time, but I still like how it look. Yeah, we finished me here, and then the year with pan and the eggs. Look pan them and look pan me on the camera. But I don't know, I'm not guessing there. I'm doing my side work. So we check in with you later to the Mia Garden pool. This is a long day. It's a long freaking day. But the pool is always good anyway. So I'll link you back later. So we have a big group coming in and we decided that we're gonna share it. Alright guys, we just reached the other location and get one check. I'm gonna get a check. I don't know where this for out. I like free money, nothing around. But I was saying that maybe it's a plane ticket. Oh, plane ticket, let me check the plane ticket and see how much. Because I think the plane to be more expensive than this. Let me check. It is my flight fee. It is the flight money. Alright, and a free money. So we get my flight money. Alright. Not a big deal. Anyway, what I realized is that this Pocket 2, it have a built-in mic. Me never did know that. We did think so me have to walk with the mic, and me just test out the quality of the audio on here and see if it makes sense, if we can just hold it like this and just do it instead of pull out the mic each time. Me use the mic like if me ever use it, if me ever do like far distance talking. So yeah, let me know what you think about this, and yeah. This is when I get follow me. Anyway, I'm going to work, so later. Alright, so guess what happened? So me left work, right? And normally you have the uniform kind of different. So the shoes that I wear for deep end is not the same shoes that I wear for the maroon. The deep end shoes is white and the maroon shoes is black. Not even blue, but black. So we lock up the deep end and my shoes lock up in the deep end. Now where we put the key is in the manager's office. After we bring back everything, we normally lock the manager's office. So in order for that door to open, the manager have to come and open it. But guess what? The manager is not here. So now, me I'm gonna see if we can break in the people in place. We see if we can get my shoes out because I can't wear it tomorrow morning, and I was thinking to wear my Converse tomorrow, but right there, Penny, I don't want to wear without shoes. I'm at work. Boy, stressed out. Can't manage. Like, can't bother. Can't bother. Anyway, mission failed. The key that we find can't open the door. It seems like I feel the draw and the door lock. And I was trying, but me no want. You can hear me I'm breaking the people in place, and then they got some back on me head. So you know what? If me come in on my shoes and they don't want me for work, then so be it. But me gotta wear my black Converse, cause that's what I have tomorrow. So go, yeah, man. So go. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. Finally, the last day. But the thing is, it is dark outside. Like, it is really dark outside. I don't even know if this is gonna pick me up properly. It attract my face, so I guess it's working good. Out here is very noisy because of the birds and the cars and so forth. But wake up like 20 minutes before my alarm and I just get up here, man, because it makes sense lying down. Alright. I'm wearing white shoes, even though I'm supposed to wear black. But that's how we here, man. It's obvious. But guess what? It match my shirt. What am I to do? We did not try to wear my Puma shoes, but the one that's too colorful, even though it have mostly black on it, it's too colorful. I'm not think that is appropriate. So that is that. Let's see what go on today. See if we can work tonight. See, today is Friday. We know how to miss Friday, especially on the deep end because it's kind of busy on Fridays. So I don't want to go to work and then hear some have to wait until the deep end open. No, I want to do that. So anyway, I'll let you know how today go. Probably if we can just run go over the deep end and collect the key and pull the things so we can take out the shoes, then that can work. But for now, we just a chance it. So yeah. So I'll catch you back when I reach at work. The Uber there like 8 minutes away and we're just gonna make a call until it reach. So later. Alright, so nobody has said anything about my shoes. Yeah, nobody knows nothing about my shoes yet. The manager them not there, just the regular servers them and the chef there. So anything is possible. But I just I go and wing it here. I wing it, them lucky with them expect. Imagine me find a solution for the problem. My shoes lock up, we may go to call out. It better me come and work with a solution than call out, right? So I am here, it is almost 7 o'clock, we soon open. Did all of the side work. And yeah, it has scratched me. So anyway, I like the lighting in here. Alright guys, so quick update. I was allowed to work in my white sneakers. But make sure you go to the manager because we know what them say. Me I go against the restaurant rule. Just tell them say me think they lock up in the deep end, which is the truth. And this, you see, me not like to tell you know, because even yesterday, somebody was saying, say I do this, knowing that I wanted to go for food at the Birdwood. I just go to the manager and say, can I have the golf cart? And like she's saying, I'm going to use it now. I said, well, I need to pick up some wings and we need to look with pineapple juice there. And then she carry me no fuss, no fight. But if I need carrot now and then maybe they hide the food, that come next to me a thief. And it's not like they don't give you food, they give you food. So it pays to be honest. Anyway, seems like it's going to be a busy day today at the pool. So many people coming in. So I guess this will be it for today. Oh, today's going to be a very nice day because my two favorite persons are going to be here, Maggie and Jake. Can't wait. Like, I'm excited for today. Anyway, if anything happens, I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, so just reach in I washed, showered, put on my face thing, and the reason why it's a shine, so don't mind that. But today at the pool, it started off very slow, like slow. I thought that I wasn't going to make any money, and surprisingly I made money, and that's good, because I'm like, it's a Friday, why is it the pool so slow? But I guess everybody was waiting until the pool party and the movie night. But I also left early because we have this, we finished so that it can come out tomorrow, plus me have to wake up early tomorrow, so me have to know when we say quits. So the movie started at 8, and it not gonna finish till about 9:30. So my roommate not gonna get here until after 10, and now stay that me know, so me have to wash because me not no more white shirt for wear to the room, and me have to finish this vlog. So I'm not gonna stay. I'm just satisfied with what we make, and just know that tomorrow's the next day. So if you reach this part of the vlog and you have not yet subscribed, like where are we upon? Just subscribe, join the family, come over here, so we share H2B lifestyle. Understand where my lifestyle. Not only that, eventually things will happen, things will pick up, but no, you know, some of my life surrounded with work, and it's the reason why I'm vlogging my work as it relates to other things and trying to be as consistent as possible. I know that this vlog just consists of work. Yeah, when things change and times change and things happen, you guys will see, because I want to be consistent, and they said that it takes 21 days to form a habit. I mean, no, we can't more than 21 days, but guess what, we're gonna take 21 vlogs. When we reach 21, that's when we're gonna celebrate, and then I might give away something. I think I might give away $100 to one person. I'm gonna know how I'm gonna do it, but me, I go do that, right? And let me know if you know want me to do that. Just one person, you know, you can help with whoever want, like help towards visa fee or whatever, and I'll let you know how I'm going to do that on the 20th. But how much weeks that? 21. We're in the 12th, so that means it take 10 more weeks up. Will that be enough? How much more weeks until till October or November? I don't know. Anyway, I'll decide. Whenever I reach 21, we give away. Alright? So, thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of this journey. And I'll catch you back in the next vlog, which is tomorrow. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next vlog. Bye!